Hi. Hi. Come. Lulu, come. Lulu, come. Hi, give me food. Jealous. I have so many colorful lovebird. This is my Lulu. This is my son. Give me. You want to feed me? What is this? What means this, Lulu? Come. No. What are you doing? You see? Anyone come comments me? What he doing? He used to do this. When I enter in the cage, he used to do this. Can anyone comments me? Lulu, no. Hi, Chingy, no, Lulu, don't fight. Why you are so jealous, Lulu? You are so jealous. I'm your mama. I am only your mama, right? No, Lulu. You see? I don't know what he's doing. Hi, Loki. This is male. This is male also. Let me show you guys. See, she is interested in my phone. She's very small. She's very little. I think 6 months old. Yes. See my Lulu, he's busy with his work. Lulu, what are you doing, Lulu? Shame, Lulu, shame. What are you doing, Lulu? Shame on you. Beta, shame on you. What is this? What kind of sound is this? See, Lulu. Where are you? Where are you, Lulu? This is baby. I have lots of lovebirds. They are pairs. Yes, that black one is a female, and this is male. This is male. This black one is female. And this is, I know some. So since third year now, I have the lovebirds. Okay, my Lulu. Welcome, my Lulu. Very cutie. Feed me. This is female. Say bye bye. Say bye bye, Lulu. Again. You start again. I lock you here. Say bye bye. Say bye bye, Lulu. Again. You start again. I lock you here. Come, I lock you. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.